Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your maths class. We are discussing the answers of home assignment of the chapter fractions. Yes? And till the last class, we have discussed the answers of home assignment part 5.6. Yes? In part 5.6, we learn how to multiply a fraction by a whole number and how to multiply two fractions. Yes, today we have to discuss the answers of home assignment part 5.7, right? So let's start our class. Okay, the question from home assignment part 5.7 it is, find the reciprocal of 16 by 3 and 9 by 3. Okay, and this page is for our rough work. Okay, if we have to do any rough work, then we will do that here. Okay, now moving to the question. Find the reciprocal. Okay, reciprocal, it is also called what? Multiplicative inverse, right? And what is it? If the product of two fractions is 1, then the fraction, each fraction is a multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of the other fraction, right? How we will find it? To find out the reciprocal of any fraction, okay, what you have to do, you have to write the numerator as the denominator and the denominator as the numerator. Okay, the reciprocal of 16 by 3 is 3 by 16. Okay, the numerator you have to write as the denominator and the denominator you have to write as the numerator. Okay, then next we will check whether this is correct or not. Okay, now let's see how to do the checking. To check whether our answer is correct or not, what we will do, we will multiply the given fraction and the reciprocal of the fraction that we have found out. Okay, the given fraction it is 16 by 3, right? And the reciprocal we have found out it is 3 by 16. Okay, and we will multiply them. Okay, how to multiply two fractions? We have to multiply the numerators, right? Here the numerators are 16 and 3. Okay, then the next step is what? We have to multiply the denominators, and the denominators are here 3 and 16. Okay, then the next step is what? You have to check whether they be cancelled out or not. Okay, see here 16 and 16, they can be cancelled out, right? We can divide this 16 by 16, we will get 1, and this 16 also we can divide by 16, we will get what? 1. Okay, then this 3 also can be divided by 3, we will get 1. Here also we will get what? 1. Okay, then the next step is what? 1 into 1, 1. Okay, and again here 1 into 1, 1, right? When the denominator is 1, no need to write there. Do you remember? Okay, we have to write there only the numerator in case when we get the denominator is 1. So what we have to write here? We have to write here only 1. That means this numerator. Okay, so what we got here? That the product of the fraction and its reciprocal, we got 1. That means our answer is correct. Okay, all of you have understood? And while writing in your classwork copy, no need to write this checking part. Okay, you have to write only up to here. Okay, all of you? Now moving to the second question. Okay, what is the fraction given? The fraction given here, it is what? 9 by 13. Okay, we have what we have to find here? We have to find out the reciprocal. Okay, the reciprocal of 9 by 13 is what? 13 by 9. Okay, how we have found out this? write the denominator as the numerator and numerator as the denominator. Okay, next what, we will check it whether our answer is correct or wrong. Okay, and how to do the checking? We have to multiply the given fraction and what, the reciprocal that we have found out, right? That means 9 by 13 into 13 by 9, right? And what the product we have to find out? We have to get the product 1. Let's see whether we get the product here 1 or not. Okay, and how to multiply two fractions? Multiply the numerators, right? And then multiply the denominators. Okay, here also we can cancel the numbers, right? Because 13 can be divided by 13, we will get 1. Okay, this 13 also can be divided by 13, we will get what? 1. Again, this 9 can be divided by what? 9, right? And dividing 9 by 9 we get 1, right? And this 9 also can be divided by what? 9, we will get 1, right? Okay, then the next step is what? 1 into 1 is equal to 1, and this 1 into 1 equal to 1, right? And we have to write here what? Only 1, because whenever we get the denominator 1, no need to write the denominator. Yes, we have to write only the numerator in that case. Yes, okay, now see here, the product of the given fraction and its reciprocal or multiplicative inverse, we got what? 1, right? Which means our answer is correct, right? Okay, here also no need to write this checking part in your class work copy. Okay, so today what we have learned? We have learned how to find out the reciprocal of a given fraction. Okay, and how it can be written. It is very easy. What you have to do? You have to just reverse the places of the numbers. That means you have to write the numerator as denominator and the denominator as the numerator. Okay, so all of you have understood, right? Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding today's class, you can ask in the comment section below, and in the next class we will discuss the answers of home assignment part 5.8. okay, that is how to divide a whole number by a fraction. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you everyone.